Most people apply for VA jobs hoping to get hired. But what if I told you the real secret is to stop applying and start positioning yourself as a partner? First, let me tell you a story. In 1898, a broke man walked into Thomas Edison's office. He had no money, no experience, and no connections. But he had one thing, a burning desire to become Edison's business partner. Not his assistant, not just an ordinary employee, but his partner. Edison looked at him and saw nothing special, but he gave him the lowest job on the company. Most people would have quit, but Barnes did not. He took the job, did the grunt work, and waited for his moment. When Edison invented a new product that nobody on his team would sell, Barnes stepped up. And from then on, he became Edison's official business partner. And the moral of the story? You don't need a perfect resume to land your very first virtual assistant job. That's exactly how I went from working at a BPO graveyard shift to working remotely as a creative director. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that too. And if you like this type of content, gently tap that like button and let's get into it. And first thing is, you don't need a degree. If you work in a BPO or a call center, you already have the most important skills a VA needs. You know how to talk to clients, you know how to follow instructions, you can write and speak in English, you already handle tasks under pressure every day. That is VA work, you're already doing it, you just don't know it yet. You don't need to spend months taking some expensive online courses. You don't need a certificate that says virtual assistant on it. How to manage emails, how to use Google Sheets, how to schedule social media posts. You can learn all of that in one weekend. Most clients hiring VAs don't care about your degree. They care about one thing. Can you do the work? If you can show them that, the degree doesn't matter. I don't have a degree in virtual assistance. I don't have a certificate about it. I learned by doing. And that's exactly what you are going to do as well to land your very first virtual assistant job. Now here's where most people get stuck. You look at a VA job listings and every single one says 1 to 2 years minimum experience. But how do you get experience if nobody will hire you without it? And this is what we call the experience paradox. And it stops most people before they even start. But here's nobody tells you. Your previous job counts as an experience already, whatever it is. The customer you calm down on the phone, that's client management. Those reports you sent to your team lead, that's already admin support. That spreadsheet that you updated every shift, that's data entry. You already have the experience. You just need to transfer it. And if you feel like that's not enough, here's what you need to do. Create a sample work. Open a Google Doc right now. Write 3 sample emails a VA would send for a client. Make a sample of weekly social media calendar. Create a mock task list using Notion. And now you have a proof that you can do the job. Since you have a sample. Nobody asked you to do it, you just did it anyway. That's exactly what Barnes did. He did not wait for Edison to promote him. He looked for the opportunity and grabbed it. Next, you need a portfolio. And before you panic, this is not complicated. Go to Canva, pick a simple template, 1 page, that's it. Here's what you need to put in it. Your name, a short intro, like 2 or 3 sentences that describe who you are and what you can do for them. Then 5 samples of your work. Remember what you did earlier? Those works that you tried to do. If you don't have any experience, you can put that into your portfolio. Those samples can be the one that you just created earlier. The mock emails, the social media calendar, a screenshot of a Notion board you set up, and maybe a simple graphic you created in Canva. Keep it clean, keep it simple and short. Save it as a PDF under 5 megabytes. And make it easy to open. Don't ever send someone a file that takes forever to load or to open. Your portfolio doesn't have to be perfect. It just needs to exist. Because most people applying for VA jobs don't even have one. So just by having a portfolio, you're already ahead of everyone. Now that you have your portfolio and your resume, it's time for you to find your clients. Here are the list of links where you can look for them. There are a lot more, but you can start with these ones. Onlinejobs.ph is the biggest one right now. It's made for Filipino remote workers. Thousands of clients from USA, Australia, and Canada that are hiring in that platform right now. Next one is virtualstaff.ph. This is one of the best outsourcing company where they are hiring people who has no experience as a VA. So it's a good opportunity if you don't have any experience at all. This would be perfect for you. Next one is Upwork also has a lot of clients all over the world that are hiring every day. You just need to make sure you create your profile properly, put in the necessary information. That way, the company that are hiring will notice you. And if you don't want to find clients, you could actually get into this company called Cyberbacker. And it's one of the company that will hire you and match you with a client. So basically, they are going to be the one finding clients for you. Even if you don't have any experience, you can apply and they'll find a suitable job that matches your personality and you will be matched to your client. Those are the solid options right now to where you can find clients. But here's my advice. Call DMs. Instead of waiting for someone to post a job listing, you're going to be looking for people who are in need of help. Look for small business owners, YouTube creators, coaches, and online sellers that needed help with their website, with their sales team, whatever they need to run their business. Most people will never do this because it feels awkward sending a message to someone you don't know. And that's exactly why it works. Almost nobody is sending these messages. So when you do, you stand out immediately. Send at least 5 to 10 messages a day. It's a numbers game. Expect that most people won't reply to you. Some will say no, but it only takes one to say yes. So just keep trying. If a client likes your message or your application, they're going to invite you to an interview. This is usually via Zoom or via Google Meet. Don't stress about this. If they're talking to you, it means they already like what they saw. Now they just need to know one thing. Do they like you as a person? Think of it like a first date, not a job interview. Be friendly, be natural, and smile. Be excited about the interview. Make them feel that you are excited to be hired by them. Clients hiring VAs want someone they can work with every day. Someone easy to talk to and someone who is reliable. Here are a few tips you can do. If the call is on Zoom, look at the camera, not the screen. There are times when you're looking at the screen, it looks like you are looking down and it doesn't feel conversational. And when you look at the camera directly, it feels like you are talking to them all the time. You can create connection. Ask them questions. Make it feel like you want to know about the company, you want to know about your work, all that stuff. Make it feel like you're interested. Don't be afraid to show your personality. There's a saying, people won't remember what you told them, but they will remember how you made them feel. One more thing, please do your homework before the call. Look at their website, check the About section. That alone puts you above 90% of the other applicants. Now, before I go, let me give you a quick list of tools that would make your life easier as a VA. Google Workspace for emails and docs, Canva for simple graphic designs, Notion for task management, Claude for writing drafts and brainstorming, and Loom for sending quick video updates to your clients. These are all free and easy to learn. And if you want everything I just talked about in one place, I made a free VA starter kit for you. It has a resume template, a list of hiring websites right now, cold outreach scripts that you can use, and a weekend learning plan to get your skills ready as a VA. It's completely free. Link is in the description. Go ahead and download it now. Remember Edwin Barnes? He walked into Edison's office with nothing. No money, no connections, no experience. just the desire and the gut to show up. You are in the same position right now. You do have everything that you need to start. The skills from your previous job, the tools I just showed you, and now the steps to follow. The only question is, are you going to send that first message right now? If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button. I'm making more videos like this in the future to help you land your very first VA job and build a better life working from home with your family. And I'll see you on the next one.